Welcome to Discover with Momina, your ultimate destination for unraveling the mysteries of space and our universe. Today, we're about to uncover one of the most mind-blowing, earth-shaking events in our planet's history, the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs. It wasn't just an extinction event. It was a cosmic drama that changed the course of life on Earth forever. Buckle up, because what you're about to hear will leave you in awe of the universe's power. Imagine an asteroid, 10 kilometers wide, traveling at an insane speed of 20 kilometers per second, faster than any jet or bullet. About 66 million years ago, it smashed into Earth near what's now the Yucatán Peninsula in Mexico. The force of this collision? It was like billions of nuclear bombs going off all at once. In a flash, this cosmic visitor vaporized everything in its path, and the aftermath was catastrophic. But here's the wild part. This event didn't just reshape the planet, it reshaped life itself. So, what exactly is the Chicxulub Crater? Well, it's the massive impact crater created by this asteroid collision. Hidden beneath the Earth's surface in Mexico, it spans over 150 kilometers in diameter and 20 kilometers deep. It's huge. This crater serves as the undeniable evidence of the asteroid's devastating impact. Scientists have drilled into the crater and uncovered layers of rock that show how Earth was transformed by the event. The Chicxulub Crater isn't just a mark on the Earth. It's the scar of a cataclysmic event that altered the planet forever. Immediate destruction. When the asteroid struck, it wasn't just the ground that trembled. Massive earthquakes rippled through the Earth's crust, and tsunamis taller than skyscrapers crashed onto the shores, flooding entire coastlines in seconds. But even this wasn't the worst of it. Can you imagine the entire world catching fire? Forests, plains, and oceans erupted into wildfires that spread uncontrollably. Earth wasn't just impacted. It was engulfed in flames, as if the planet itself was trying to survive the impact. This was no ordinary day. It was the Earth's greatest challenge. The dark winter. Now, here's where the story takes a chilling turn. The explosion sent an enormous cloud of dust and debris into the sky, blocking out the sun. Picture this. The Earth plunged into darkness for months, maybe even years. Without sunlight, the world grew cold, and temperatures dropped drastically. Plants couldn't survive, and animals were left with nothing to eat. The dinosaurs, the mighty rulers of the planet for over 165 million years, couldn't adapt. It was as if the universe had pressed reset. In a few short years, 75% of all life vanished. No warning, no chance for survival, just extinction. A turning point in history. But hold on. While the dinosaurs met their end, their extinction marked the beginning of something truly extraordinary. Without the giants of the Earth, the stage was set for new creatures to rise. Enter the mammals. Smaller, quicker, and more adaptable, they seized the opportunity to evolve and thrive. This event didn't just end an era, it sparked the dawn of a new one. Can you imagine a world where humans, yes, us, never existed? Thanks to the asteroid, mammals made their move, and we're here today to tell the tale. What the Chicxulub Crater tells us today. Fast forward to today, and the Chicxulub Crater is still whispering its secrets to scientists. Buried deep beneath the Earth, it's a goldmine of information about asteroid impacts and their catastrophic potential. We're not just studying the past, we're learning how to protect ourselves from future cosmic threats. The Chicxulub Crater is a reminder that we live in a volatile universe, but with advancements like NASA's DART mission, we're learning how to dodge the next big asteroid that might come our way. Imagine that. Humans, once powerless in the face of extinction, now learning how to avert disaster. Pretty amazing, right? The story of the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs isn't just about destruction. It's about rebirth, resilience, and the unpredictable nature of life. It's a cosmic reminder that our world is constantly evolving, and it's up to us to ensure that we thrive, no matter what the universe throws our way. If you found this journey through time and space as thrilling as I did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover with Momina. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Hit the bell icon to join me on our next mind-blowing adventure into the unknown.